Sometimes you might run into a situation where an app isn't available on the home screen anymore, even though it's still installed on your iPad. With recent iPad OS versions, you can remove an app from the home screen and keep it available in the app library. To move an app back to the home screen, you'll first go to the app library by swiping all the way to the right. In the app library, you can locate your apps either by tapping these automatically organized folders or by using the search bar up top. You can scroll the list of apps or type in search in the search bar on the top. I'll go in this folder here and I can see the YouTube app that went missing from home screen. Tap and hold the app and you'll see these options appear. Tap Options and Add to Home Screen. The app goes back to your home screen, where you can then tap, hold, and drag it to your preferred position. If you notice that your downloaded apps don't show up on the home screen, go to Settings and from the sidebar choose Home Screen and App Library. Then look at the selection for newly downloaded apps. You can set new apps to either get added to the home screen or to have them only go in the app library. If your apps are only showing up in the app library, change this setting to Add to Home Screen, and that's how you put apps back on your home screen. Click that like button below if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.